guys, welcome back. In this video, we will be talking about the upcoming event which is Capped Legend. We will be checking out the official players, event format, whether your draft progress from Team of the Year event continues to the next event or not. We will also check out the official players and each and everything you should know about the upcoming event which is Capped Legend. So this event is first of all going to arrive this week Thursday, so do watch out for it. It is arriving on 26th February, guys. And guess what, we are in the final week of Team of the Year, so this is your last chance to get the ultimate Team of the Year player item or Team of the Year icons, guys. So if you want, you can spend your FC draft voucher and try to cash in this Team of the Year card, because in terms of gameplay they will be performing better than most of the cards in game. So do watch out for Team of the Year. There is still 2 days remaining for this event to end. Now talking about the upcoming event which is Capped Legend, guys, we have official leaks on 3 cards. So first let's just see the 3 confirmed player item, which is first of all Netherlands attacking midfielder icon. It's obviously Johan Cruyff. I was surprised that he hasn't got a striker card, but yeah, Cruyff at attacking midfielder is the best option, and he will be getting a second position for sure, I guess. Apart from it, we do have the Real Madrid legend, and guess what, you will be seeing Rice as a left back getting a card in game. Apart from it, this event will be following the same structure which you have seen in Team of the Year event or the rest event which is in game at this moment. And yeah, you will be seeing draft system, guys. And if there is draft system, that means you will be also seeing box every week, which means every week there will be some amazing icon added in the box chapter which you cannot get without spending money in game, guys. That's the harsh reality. But yeah, let's just have a look on the possible box player for the upcoming event which is Capped Legend. So we have Marco van Basten, Thierry Henry, and we have Cannavaro there. So these 3 cards can be arrive in game. Not to forget, you might see cards like Maradona, Busquets, or even David Beckham, guys. Let me know if you're excited for any of this box player, because I know most of the people cannot get this, guys, because they are just super expensive. Now talking about whether your draft progress from Team of the Year will continue or not. So first let me clear this out to you, guys. The Cap Legend will use the same voucher but still have to confirm that. But guess what, the points won't carry over between event, because it was not carry over between Jinga, Lunar New Year, Ramadan, or even Future Star, guys. So your progress won't carry over. So try getting the player you want from Team of the Year, because it is going to reset and you have to open 100 packs again in order to get some amazing card which can arrive in this event, guys. Like, there are lots of chances that you might see some amazing icons, hero in this event, since it is named after legends, guys. So yeah, we might see cards like Van Persie, Totti, even Baggio can get a card, guys. Not to forget, Philip Lahm is confirmed, he will be getting a card. We might see Nedved or Baresi in future. Johan Cruyff is also confirmed, he will be getting a card as well. And as mentioned earlier, there are some possible players in the box, which is Maradona, Busquets, David Beckham. Not to forget, Marco van Basten has been rumored from Team of the Year, but he hasn't got a card, so he has very high possibility to arrive in box. We do have Thierry Henry, Cannavaro there, and yeah, other legends which can be arriving in this event is Eusebio, Matthias, we have Bale, we have Zidane there. So there are lots of players which can arrive in this event, like Dunga. We also have Carles Puyol. So do watch out for the upcoming event Capped Legend. The only issue is it is following the same draft system where you have to spend your FC draft voucher in order to get the player item, completely luck based. Nothing is going to change. You will be seeing some exchanges where you have to use your face token. There are some normal players which are going to arrive 2, like Kevin De Bruyne is confirmed. Apart from it, yeah, we might see De Jong or maybe Bernardo Silva or other cards. Even Bellingham can get a card, guys. If you ask me, in the upcoming week, I will definitely love to see cards like Courtois or even Lewandowski, guys. They are amazing player item and I will definitely love to get them. Even Luka Modric can get a card. So these are some possible players which can arrive in Capped Legend. A huge shout out to Alexandro Mobile and Madrista FC. There is going to be a live stream as well, but this is going to be the main event, and in this event you will be seeing draft system as follow. Now talking about the event, we have chapter 1 where you have to collect some tokens which is cap. There are different section available which is stat card, experience, adaptability, reputation, and there is a reward chapter as well. You will see a tutorial once you log in the event, and yeah, obviously guys, there is some core attributes like defense, dribbling, free kick, passing available. We have start cards where in chapter 2 you represent your national team and sharpen your overall performance. There are some attribute categories available like defense, free kick, shooting as mentioned. Then we have the third chapter which is adaptability, and here there is a concept of fatigue and you have to play some skill games, matches, and after you do that you might earn some tokens, guys. Then you have chapter 4 which is experience, where you have to progress through this chapter to gain experience star and enhance your player further. So yeah, we have chapter 4 where you will be playing some skill games, matches. Chapter 5 is reputation, where you will be strengthening your stats or maybe completing some quest, guys. And yeah, this is kind of it for all the chapter. The main chapter is obviously the reward chapter, where you will be seeing the dice system again, where you have to roll the dice and get the reward, guys. You have seen it in Team of the Year event recently, and also it was available in previous event. You have to keep rolling dice every day and get the rewards. So this is it for the Capped Legend chapter. Yeah, there will be team badge available as well. Not to forget, you will be seeing a star pass too, and obviously guys, there will be draft available. And as per the leak we have currently in Capped Legend week 1 draft, you will be seeing Johan Cruyff in pool A, and yeah, there are other 117 rated players too, which is Lamp. You will be seeing Johan Cruyff, and last but not the least, Kevin De Bruyne will be there as well. So these are some 117 rated player. Not to forget, you will be seeing 316 rated card confirmed, where you will be having a new hero card. We will be seeing Dudak and Rise available. There will be some pool B players which are not yet leaked. I think so it will be using the same currency which is FC draft voucher, and you might be able to use it in get some rewards. The card which I am chasing from this event has to be Johan Cruyff, or I will be happy with any 117 rated card, to be very honest. Seeing my luck, anything is great. All the leaks which you are seeing in this video is from Madrista FC, so do check him out, and also check out Fatih and Rims. They have designed a wonderful concept there. Let me know your thoughts on the upcoming Capped event. This is it.